Everybody complaining about pickles. Okay, I think this is done. I don't want to get too hot. And then the bread get too crunchy, and then my false teeth fall out.
And this is what Ovita's having.
And there, what is Ovita's having for lunch? Turkey burger. What are you gonna have? What are you gonna make that at? Oh, you're gonna make it on there? Okay, so she made herself turkey burgers, while us peoples here, we eat the bad stuff. Oh, thank you. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good because I don't want it to get too hard. All right, so that's it, guys. I guess it's a cooking show. So this is actually lunch, and it's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then what it is tonight, well, later on, I guess dinner. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this right here. I'm gonna show you a recipe that I'm gonna do using this. And I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is until you guys see it. So and you're gonna see it tastes good. So we're gonna have some lunch, and I guess later on I'll show you guys the dinner part. So let's eat, and hope you guys enjoy the Cuban sandwich. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. You know, I can answer, you know, the process, I guess, or whatever the meats are called and stuff like that. So here we go. I got mines, and they gave me two. I guess they think I'm hungry. I guess I am hungry. So let me sit right here and enjoy my breakfast. And look at Gabby's mess, like usual. Just a mess to make her of the house. Yes, there we go. A board game, you know, because we're bored. But this is the board game.
Oh, board game. That makes sense.
So let me enjoy my lunch, my Cuban sandwich, and our lancha. Stop. Very good. Thank you very much. All right. So this is called buy and cook. Instead of catch and cook, when we'll go fishing. This is called buy and cook.
Fresco. I want.
You love it? It's crunchy. Very good for me. And see, mine got the pickles. Because everybody making fun of my sweet pickles. Come on, man. People make mistakes. So, there you go. You see, you put it in aluminum foil. And then you put them in a Ziploc like that. Why is it aluminum foil? Stay fresh? So they don't get soggy?
I've always done it like that and it stays good.
Okay, yeah, we used to do that.
They don't get hard, they don't get bad. You can have them there like and just grab and go. Like,
yeah, it's pretty good.
Or eat it cold.
That's true. So that's for the ones for these animals right here. Those animals that always eat. Look at Yuli, waiting for his food. So we're gonna stick them in the refrigerator, and then when they're hungry again,
put them here.
They can put them. Go ahead, you know, and you can eat them up cold, or just turn on the hot.
That's it.
The hot plate, and then there you go, ready for later, alligator. All right. So while we eat the bad stuff, she eats the good stuff. So that's what she's making for herself. What are you making?
Zucchini.
Zucchini. And this is
Turkey burger.
Turkey burgers. She's eating zucchini and turkey burger. Low carb, protein diet. And us, high carbs, everything diet. So, what can you do? What can you do? How you doing, guys? How you doing? How you doing? And look, magic, we're back and it's dinner time. So right now we're gonna do some chunks right there, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use this cool machine right here. And this is actually pork, right? We just went to the backyard, got the pig, and cut them up. All right, so this is what I like using to seasoning: garlic and salt. That's it, because I like it the Italian flavor with the garlic. But pork, a lot of people just use salt, but I like the little garlicky taste. So right now we're cutting the chunks. Well, the butcher, she's the butcher today. She's cutting the chunks there.
This one you can, because this one has a bone in the middle.
Yeah, I'll break the bone. No, I'll break the bone. So we're gonna show you guys this cool machine here. I like it. I like it a lot. The only thing about this machine that it takes kind of long. It takes about an hour and a half. But the good thing is, it's a air fryer. So what it does is it fries the food without the grease. All the grease goes to the bottom. Well, you're gonna see it. and it makes the thing crunchy. This is an old model. This is like 3-4 years old. The newer models are faster and they cook the same. So I decided to show you guys, just in case you're in the market, you know, to get the air fryer. Get it if you like fried food. I love fried food. So we're gonna try today pork in la casa. And check if you guys follow me on Instagram or Facebook, check out Yuli's new facial look. Check it out. Ta-da! Look at Yuli. He just got some implants. What do you call them things? Microblading. Yuli's got some microblading. He just came from the salon.
Or yours, chef.
Or yours, all right. So I'm gonna season it up. Like I said before, with just garlic and salt. And look at the pineapple. The pineapple's gone. We already ate it.
About time you do something. Come on.
About time. Good
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. I'm gonna sit. You grab your garlic and you season it on there, buddy. I love the taste of garlic. Maybe I'm a Italian Cuban. I don't know. But I love the taste of garlic. So we're gonna do it up. And yes, I did clean my hands. Yes, I cleaned my hands. All right, so once you drown it in garlic, you go with the salt. And the trick about pork, believe it or not, is a lot of salt. So I guess pork dissolves a lot of salt. So we're going to eat some pork today, man. And if you guys follow me for a while now, you know I love pork, especially pork chops. So we're doing pork chunks. And no sausages. But you know what? I haven't tried making the sausages in the air fryer. All right, make sure all little pieces get salt in them. Cause that's the trick about pork. So I just took the top off the air fryer. Now it's time to place the goods. This is 2 floors. And so we put it in there. Now you're gonna see how cool this is. How, if you guys like eating lean food, you know, like meaning less grease, the air fryer is your best bet. Because you're gonna see how all the grease stays at the bottom, man, at the bottom. And you notice my assistant left. Got me all doing this thing by myself. Talking about, I'm gonna help you. So now I put the second floor. And then yes, you're gonna notice that it's gonna cook the top first because it's closer to the, I guess, the air and the heat conduction, I guess you want to call it. So what you got to do is you place, oh, you know what? I guess I could place more on top. So let me grab some from the bottom. All right, so let me take some from the bottom and put them on the top. This is really cool, guys. You're gonna see. Most probably I'm not gonna, you know, it does take a while. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it and let it sit there and come back and then you guys will see. All right, let me put it back in. The good thing is you can go ahead and put it to cook and go do something else. What we're gonna do is, guess what? Watch TV. So there you go. All right, now you put the cover on and set it at 480, and then there you go. Put it for 60 minutes right there, and you see, you can hear the fan blowing, and the fan blowing and the heat cooks it. And you guys are gonna see, okay, take a quick look. There's no grease down there, right? You're gonna see how it gets full of grease, and the meat is gonna get like really, really cooked. So we'll be back in about an hour and check it. So we're gonna watch TV. And nothing else you can do, right? In these situations. So let's go watch some TV. And yes, like you notice, this beautiful couch, because since we all do watch TV, even the dog watches TV, we're laying here like it's our bed. So let me lay back down. And let's watch some TV. There's a remote. There it is. Let's go with the show. So, see you guys in a bit. It's been about 40 minutes. So check it out. See how it's cooking. Look at all the grease down there. You see? See the crispiness? Check it out. Pretty cool, right? So now we're gonna go ahead and pull them around. We're gonna flip them. Where's the spatula thing?
Alright, well, honestly, they really don't need any more. So.
Okay, but if I didn't pick them out, then they're not really for me, which makes me alive. And the whole point of this.
See how you flip them? So like that, it cooks on the opposite side. Yeah, that's all I know is the TV. Because we're watching movies up in here. So you flip them. And you put it back. And you let it keep cooking. Flip them, you let it keep cooking. And let's go watch some more TV.
I'm good. Dude.
Look at all those lazy papers. Look at the lazy papers.
Look at you, you're not watching the movie. Okay.
No, I'm not.
He's a little full of himself, don't you think?
He's alright.
And what's his drug of choice?
Alright, so check it out. Top layer, whole top floor is done. So I'm gonna pull them out because then they get too dry. Ready? Alright. Got one batch. So put them there.
Yes.
Look at that sizzle right there, boy. Look at it, like. And they taste crunchy just like you deep fried. So today's show has been a cooking show. Buy and cook. Instead of catch and cook, it's buy and cook. And there we go. Here we go, guys. I got it. Here, guys.
For me. Let me see.
Look at that. What you doing, girl? You gonna be eating her food, girl? Alright, so I guess they done. The food's ready and they invade the kitchen. You see how it works? So I guess I'll wait for round 2. You get more for it if you want. So I'll wait for round 2. Alright, dog.